Hi there. So today I'm here to talk about the significance of outbound communication in branding and brand marketing. Well, what brings this topic to all of you is some of the recent projects where we have been working on branding for the technology company. And the insight became all the more important because we were constantly working with a lot of, coders, software developers, UI UX experts who are very comfortable with the web designs, the app designs, and that is why I had to work in a lot of details, when I was trying to communicate how communication is the silent tool that brings all the brand differentiation when you are trying to reach the customer through outbound marketing. That's how I thought that this topic will make all the sense to my audience also, who are keen on knowing the difference between branding and marketing, and how branding and little details about branding can actually bring all the difference in customer communication and thereby the outbound communication, which actually fetches the inbound leads. So let's begin. All right. So how does communication design brings all the difference to your branding, brand perception, and how customer absorbs the message that you're trying to convey? I will be talking about this topic in terms of all the communication materials that we usually work can be brochure and exhibit design and even an email campaign, right? So, design brings all the difference. It brings in the differentiation that is required. It also creates the aha moment. Why we say the aha moment? Because it simplifies the complex information or the message that you want to communicate to your audiences. A lot of times, when we are working on certain designs, as the business owners or as the product owners, we tend to give a lot of details which sometimes creates chaos for the receiver. Why? Because what do you think is the attention span of a average user who is trying to absorb the information or communication material of your brand? Well, statistics say it is less than 7 seconds. So, if that is the kind of attention span we are dealing with, we have to ensure that our communication design brings in the silent impact, through design, visual communication, the graphics, and brings out the message, brings out the differentiation, and leaves the distinguishing remark that you think is the most important thing you wish to communicate to your audiences. Now, how we can take care of it? Content readability is one thing, presenting the content is different thing. So when I work with my designers or even the client teams, we really focus on things like, simplifying the content flow. We really work on things like adjusting the font weights, bringing in the visuals to make your content more contextual. That is a way to simplify your entire brand message, by bringing in the right kind of visuals. Make sure that your content or even the design is not repetitive so that it is not pushing the user, to actually strain their mind and think through and absorb the information, because repetition in any communication design creates chaos and thereby you lose the customer attention. Try these simple tips in your email marketing campaigns and you will see that simple detailing like adjusting the font weights, changing the colors, bringing in the spacing in your content and design communication, creating the offers, all these things actually lead to how your customer is responding to your communication, how you are breaking it down in simple steps so that they feel your brand as an appealing and approachable business to actually reach out to and have a conversation with. So a good communication design always work on CTAs that are sharp, that are simple, that make your content more appealing and approachable. That means I am not promising short conversion through this, but I can promise that you will have a definite engagement if you work on your branding design to make your outbound communication smarter and more appealing to the customer. How you can drive action and improve the ROI of your outbound communication or any communication for that matter also depends on how you are using the high impact data. Are you empathizing with the user? Are you making the content and your communication design more about the customer and less about your own accolades and achievements? That means you need to humanize the content. You need to make it about the problems they are facing and the solutions your product or your communication is bringing to them. So always, try to empathize with the consumer, make it more resonating for them, even through design. If you're using any images or if you're using any clip arts or even plain content led designs, you need to empathize, humanize the brand, because that is what is bringing all the difference to outbound communication, even in the age of AI. Also, when you are creating CTAs, you have to drive the CTAs in such a way that they become obvious to engage, right? Don't be pushy in your design about making the sale or conversion, because that is how you push your ROI away. So you have to take care of the CTAs. You have to make them, very, very compliant in the way that they go with the flow, wherein you leave the conversation at a level where the customer is willing to know more or to discover how you can be a perfect solution partner for them, and not somebody who is keen to just grab the data, pushing them to fill the forms. So take care of these points, communicate beautifully, understand there is a gap between, being the UI UX person and being a communication design person. So make the impact with your visual communication, and you will see the difference in how your outbound communication is creating all the difference to your inbound leads. All this and more about communication design and brand marketing in the upcoming videos. Thank you.